Hello, this is ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Today's the 31st of July 2014. We're going to be looking at the CFDs, gold, SPX500, US30, German 30, US oil, and a new one for us is the US dollar index. All on the daily chart with the Elliott wave analysis. Before we start, please go through the disclaimer, stop and read at your own leisure, as well as the hypothetical performance. Okay, let's go to the charts now. Okay, here, this is gold. This is our alternative count. We can actually start, I'll show you the main count. The main count is here, as you can see. And what we see in the main count, we have like a pattern where we're looking at price to go 1, 2, and then we're looking for the push down for the bigger wave for the 0.3, all in all. And the primary wave structure 1 that completed on 31st of December, it's wave 2 completed on the high of 18th of March 2014. Breaking those subwaves down, we have a 1, 2 of the primary with a 3 coming down. Had we taken an entry on these particular points, we would be in a bit of a profit. I'm waiting for the other profit targets to be hit down. But now what we're going to be doing, looking at the alternative wave count 1, and as you can see, we're still in that pattern. As you can see, there's that pattern in an ABC kind of correction. We have a triangular formation of an A, B, C, D, E pattern, and right now within that wave structure for the E to be completed, A, B is in point of completion. C will take it way back up top. So as you can see, that's reasons why you can take either trade. You can take the wave count on the main wave, main count, short all the way down, or you can wait for price to go up and then short it all the way down. I'm more in the latter of consideration for price to complete its B, complete its C, and then come down and take it on the bounce down off this C level. A little bit of time to wait, but that's gold for you. SPX500, let's have a look at the SPX500 following the S&P 500, and if I give you a structure, let me make this smaller for you traders. You can see currently as it's moving down, as you can see, there's the wave 3 of the primary, wave 4, we're in a wave 5 up long and breaking that structure down. We've got a 1, 2, 3 of the intermediate, that's green in brackets. Breaking that down, you can see the minor in pink, that's 1, 2, also in wave 3. But now look at the minute wave degree, that's 1, 2, 3, close to the 261 level, and price is just dropping down like a rock right now. And as you can see, that's where it's bouncing all the way down right now. We're in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades right now, all in a loss at 130, around 145 pips to 132 pips negative right now. If price bounces off this 161 level, which is an extension, we've got our price, our stop loss at 1939. We've entered around the level of 1961 to 1968. Let's just see if this price level holds. Could it be a wave 4 in the process right now? Looking at the ratios right now, I think that perhaps the wave 3 has been completed and the wave 4 didn't hit our targets as we expected. We were taking the wave 3 in the different levels of the minor wave. Right now we can see the price come down, hit the 38. That will take us to our wave 4 of the minute degree, and then we'll push up for the wave 5. So could be an opportunity to go long at this particular position if necessary from 4 to 5 to complete the wave 3. Now moving to the US30, that's the Dow 30. As you can see, we're in a wave 5 position marked on this particular chart. Wave 5 of the primary. There's 3, there's 4, there's 5, and as you can see, we put our highs in here for the resistance and the lows for the support. Price has broken through, started to hit this blue line. It is a fib ratio line. We kind of marked it as an ending diagonal. A little bit too soon to be an ending diagonal. C hasn't yet been completed, but very interesting in that respect anyhow, to see how price moves forward. Or if price has completed, then of course price can come all the way down to this level of 1634. That's the situation right now. That's what we were anticipating for price to come down, but I'm anticipating price to push back up and move forward. If we look at the alternative count, you can see where we stand, still in a wave 4. There's wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5 is in completion. We're in the larger wave degree of a wave 3, that's off the cycle degree, that's black and in Roman numbers. Breaking that down, we've got the primary red in circles and a wave 3 of a intermediate. Of course that can go anywhere around here. And then we've got the minor, that's in pink, and if we look at the minute, that's in blue. There's the 1, there's the 2, it's completing its wave 2. Price could come down at the 61.8 level and then bounce all the way back up, and I think that could be a good location to put a trade in. So I put an entry right now for 16646. Price to come down, hit the Fibonacci level, and then bounce up for 17463. And the stop level is 161.29. So that is the US30 right now, folks. Let's now move to the German 30. And where do we stand right now with the German 30? As you can see, all indices are dropping like a rock. I'll take it to a little bit more where we can see a bit more. In fact, probably better to stick it on a weekly. Okay, fine. There we can see on the weekly we have a 0 of the cycle degree A, B, C. We're in a C position, and when we break that down, you can see the primary, that's in red. There's the 1 at the high, there's the 2, and there's the 3. So in a wave 3 of a primary, and when we break that down, we can see the intermediate, that's green in the brackets, and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm in a wave 5 of a intermediate, which is the wave 3 completion of the primary. So still quite significant. As you can see, the minor, which is pink, it's starting to complete its wave 2. So there's 1 and there's 2. So let's now knock it down to the daily chart and see what the daily chart is saying to us. Okay, daily chart, we can see the wave 2 in process of completion. To be honest, to tell you, I'd like to see this wave 2 below this black line, and that will give us more substance for this potential trade. Here we have another view of this. We can call this our main count actually, and as you can see, as price is dropping further. So we're looking at main count, and as you can see, the level is close to the 100% level. Could be opportunity to take a long position on this, and that will be quite significant. So let's just see what happens in the close play of this candle. As you can see, our SSD, look at our SSD, is in all different locations, heading down below the oversold area. Let's move on now to the alternative count. The alternative count number 1, as you can see, is pretty much similar to the main count. Yeah, okay, fine. Let's now move to the USOil. USOil, and as you can see, also in a nosedive position. Right, from the larger wave degree, we've got a wave 2 here of the intermediate, that's green and in brackets, and with potential looking at its wave 3 in progress. Breaking that down now, right now we've got the 1, 2 of the minor wave, which is subordinate, so that's also in a wave 3. Breaking that down into the minute degree, 1, 2, and also in a wave 3, and then the minute, which is black and in brackets in Roman numbers, 1, 2, and we're looking for its wave 3 to come up. To be honest to tell you, here we can have 3 trades, 1, 2, 3 trades, 5 lots we've taken. We're in negative right now, 338 across the board. This black line is a very significant black line. Hopefully it's not going to be invalidated. As you can see there, we have a doji of today's candle. You can see that nosedive happen for the SSD, where from here it's nosedive all the way down. We've got this doji formation right now here. If you can actually see and follow how price is actually looking, building that up for you. We're going to put our stops a little bit more tighter just to keep things all in play and nice and tidy. That's how we like to do it. Bring it up. So we're keeping our stops nice and tidy, nice and tight. Then what we're looking for price to come up. Yeah, for price to come up on this wave 3 of the minute and take out all those various different levels. Probably have to remove those levels accordingly as the situation has changed right now, and that should be done shortly. US dollar index, new one that we're looking at right now, based on popular demand. That's right, traders. If there's anything specific that you want us to look at here at the Trading Tigers, please do contact us and please do let us know what you want to look at, and we can get one analyst to start looking at things. Right now, I just want to explain everything is for free right now at thetradingtigers.com. So please do give us your points, what you want, instruments. And there's 1, there's 2 of the primary degree. And what we're now looking for its wave 3 to come up. We have entered a trade at 105.40 with a stop at 10365, and breaking that down, we haven't even started any of the other wave counts or cycles at all accordingly. So basically, as you can see, look at the SSD, you can see the SSD is poised to do a short position already in the overbought area, but hey, we're okay for that. Okay, fine. So that's me, and I'm ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com.